Hello, you're watching The Marketable. I'm Tyler Tully. Today I'm talking to the Managing Director of Caspin Resources, Greg Miles. Greg, thank you for joining us.
Pleased to be with you, Tyler.
You've done a lot of exploration work at your Mount Squires project. Can you tell us a little bit about it?
Yeah, we have. We've been putting a lot of effort in our Mount Squires project, basically on the back of the West Musgrave really opening up in the last 12 to 18 months, on the back of BHP building the Nebo Babel mine, which is only 10 kilometres from our tenement boundaries. So this is a fantastic province to go exploring for nickel and copper sulphide ore bodies, and that's what we've been out there doing. But when you go out into the frontiers, and the West Musgrave province is one of the last great frontiers in Australia, you never know what you're going to find. And so this is a remarkably prospective area, not just for nickel, copper, sulphide, but we've also found some really interesting rare earth mineralisation and also some gold mineralisation. And the rare earth mineralisation has been a real surprise. Rare earths are not that rare, but what's been different about our discovery is the fact that it's been more on the heavy rare earths, and these are much more valuable, and there is actually no heavy rare earth production in Australia at the current time. So we think that's an interesting point of difference. But we essentially trying to move ahead on both commodity fronts at the same time.
So what do shareholders have to look forward to for the end of the year?
Well, we're still working on our Mount Squires project, but we'll also turn back to our Yarawindah Brook project just on the edge of Perth, another great nickel copper PGE province. We're going to turn our hand to more near surface opportunities. There's still a lot of anomalies out there that haven't been drill tested. We've been really happy with the work so far, but we're just conscious of the fact that probably 50% of the project hasn't had any exploration. And then on top of that, as we've just recently announced, we've actually recognised some lithium prospectivity as well. And it's an interesting part of the world. A lot of people are focusing on the Pilbara for lithium, but you've got to remember that the best lithium mine in Australia is actually Greenbushes in the southwest here. And we've been able to leverage off our existing work to identify that same sort of pathfinder elements that indicate lithium potential. So we're going to explore that front as well during the summer field season.
Greg, thank you for joining us at The Marketable.
Thanks, Tyler.